Hello, everyone. Here's what's happening in Advanced Systems for the week of July 11th through 17th, 2022. Looking ahead, we will wrap up Discussion Forum 3, look at the weekly objectives and assignments, and ways of checking in. For the third discussion forum, the focus was on working with families, whether those were children or adolescents or any different kind of family composition depending on which family you chose, and then choosing a chapter from the Cultural Legacy section of McGoldrick and Hardy to help with answering the second question. And so there was a pretty even distribution as far as choosing Jack's family or Maggie's family, and then a couple of you chose a family from the McDowell et al. Text. But where it got interesting was when we got to the 2 treatment goals and the 2 treatment interventions. It looks like structural has a strong following, or at least as it related to the cases that you all decided to study and talk about. But we had some others in the mix there, like some Bohemian narrative, solution focused, attachment, and CBT. So, regardless of which theory you chose, it is important to remember that some theories are going to work better with families than others, and that's okay. I also appreciated the specificity with which you chose your treatment goals and interventions for the family, whether it was Jack, Maggie, or one of the ones in the McDowell text. For the second question, you talked about problems with children and adolescents that are most difficult for you and issues of normativity, power, or social structures that might be challenging. Reading your responses to these questions was very moving and I also want to say powerful in terms of your own self-awareness of what might be harder issues for you with that population, but also those issues of normativity, power, or social structures that might be challenging. This is one of my favorite parts of the learning experience is the variety in answers as well as the reflection and the honesty with which you share with each other. So thank you for doing that. Looking at this week, our topic is working with couples, solution-focused therapy, and revisioning family therapy, with reading in Tybee Chapter 12 for working with couples, McDowell et al. Chapter 11 for solution-focused therapy, and McGoldrick and Hardy Chapter 33 for revisioning family therapy. The prime assignment is the Multi-Generational Proposal Part 2, which is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, July 16th. And then looking ahead to next week, attached to this email are case studies for our 7/18 Zoom meeting, and those are also posted on Brightspace. And because I know that you'll be also thinking about the discussion forum, we've extended that another day so that your post is due Wednesday, the 20th, and responses due Friday, the 22nd. Office hours are by appointment, so send an email if you'd like to set something up, and use the Just Checking discussion forum for your questions and comments, praise, and prayer. To review, we wrapped up Discussion Forum 3, looked at the weekly objectives and assignments, and ways of checking in. That's all for now. Until next time.